Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze 3 IT stocks based on Q4 Financial 21 results. We are going to discuss Mphasis Limited, Mindtree Limited and Coforge Limited. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. I have another channel, Sunya Technologies. This channel contains C Sharp, VB.NET, Python, Java, C++ videos. If anyone are trying for software jobs, then please check these videos. These videos will be helpful in an interview. Here we have 3 companies, Mphasis Limited, Mindtree Limited, Coforge Limited. So current price of Mphasis is 1914 rupees, Mindtree is 2200, Coforge is 3484. We'll check quarterly results. Here we are comparing March 21 results with March 20, that is year on year. And also we'll note it down important points. First we'll check Mphasis sales. Sales was increased 7.59% for Mphasis. For Mindtree 2.87, for Coforge 13.72. Here Coforge sales was increased more, later Mphasis, later Mindtree. We'll note it down. Sales, Coforge sales greater than Mphasis, Mphasis sales greater than Mindtree. Here we are checking percentage. Later we'll check expenses. Mphasis expenses are 8.15%. Mindtree expenses are minus 4.64. Coforge expenses are 15.46. Here Coforge expenses are more. Later Mphasis, later Mindtree. So here we need to observe one point. Mindtree sales are less and also expenses also less. We'll note it down. Coforge expenses greater than Mphasis. Mphasis expenses greater than Mindtree. What we observed based on sales and expenses? Here Coforge sales are greater than Mphasis. Mphasis sales are greater than Mindtree. Then expenses, Coforge expenses are greater than Mphasis. Mphasis expenses greater than Mindtree. Later we'll check EBITDA. Here Mphasis EBITDA is 5.21%. Mindtree EBITDA is 42%. Coforge is 5.7%. We'll note it down. Here Mindtree EBITDA is greater than Coforge. Coforge greater than Mphasis. Mindtree greater than Coforge. Coforge greater than Mphasis. So what we observed based on the EBITDA? Here Mindtree sales and expenses are less. Due to this one, Mindtree EBITDA is more. How much percentage? That is 42%. But Coforge and Mphasis EBITDA is 5%. Here winner is Mindtree. So Mindtree results are good comparing with Mphasis and Coforge. Mindtree is winner. Later we'll check other income. Mphasis other income was decreased 37%, but Mindtree income was increased 112%, and Coforge other income was decreased 25%. Here Mphasis and Coforge other income was decreased, but Mphasis other income was increased. So here Mindtree other income greater than Coforge. Coforge other income greater than Mphasis. So here we are checking percentages. Later we will check interest. Mphasis interest was decreased 30% and Mphasis paying 14 crores as interest. Now we will come to Mindtree. Mindtree interest was decreased 10.9% and they are paying interest as 11%. And Coforge interest was decreased 40% and they are paying 3 crores. That means Coforge paying less interest. That means they have less debt. That is positive point. So here Coforge paying less interest, then Mindtree, then Mphasis. We'll note it down. Coforge paying less interest means they have low debt. So here Mphasis greater than Mindtree, Mindtree greater than Coforge. Here Emphasis more debt than Mindtree, Mindtree more debt than Coforge. But here they are paying very less interest. That means they have very low debts. So for all the three companies, that is positive. So later profit before tax. Emphasis profit before tax increased 2.08 percentage. Mindtree profit before tax is 60.28 percentage. Coforge profit before tax is 12.08 percentage. Here Mindtree profit before tax is high. This is good sign. We'll note it down. Mindtree profit before tax greater than Coforge. Coforge greater than Emphasis. Later, we'll check profit after tax. Profit after tax. Here Emphasis profit after tax decreased 10%. Mindtree profit was increased 53%. And Coforge profit after tax increased 10%. Here, Mindtree profit after tax is high. So this is positive one for Mindtree. So we'll note it down. Mindtree profit after tax greater than Coforge. Coforge greater than Emphasis. So what we observed based on our discussion means, here Mindtree got good results then Coforge, Coforge got good results then Emphasis. Now we'll check the PE of three companies. Here PE of Emphasis 29.42, PE of Mindtree is 32, PE of Coforge is 46. We'll compare this PE with 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE. We'll go down. Here Emphasis 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE is 17 and current PE is 29. So comparing with 3 years median PE, Emphasis is overvalued based on current results. Now I'll check Mindtree. So Mindtree PE is 32 and 3 years and 5 years median PE is, so here 23, 21. Comparing with 3 years and 5 years median PE, current PE is overvalued. And we'll check Coforge. Current PE is 46 and 3 years and 5 years median PE is 23, 20. If we compare with 3 years and 5 years median PE, Coforge have high current PE. So that means in these three companies, Coforge is overvalued comparing with Mindtree and Emphasis. So here we'll note it down. Coforge PE greater than Mindtree, Mindtree PE greater than Emphasis. So here Mindtree got good results and its PE is 32, but Coforge got average results but its PE is very high. Compare with Mindtree and Coforge, Mindtree is undervalued, Coforge is overvalued. Emphasis results are down 10%, so its PE also less comparing with Mindtree and Coforge. Based on our discussion, what we conclude is Mindtree is cheaper than Emphasis, Mindtree cheaper than Emphasis, Emphasis is cheaper than Coforge. Here Mindtree is cheaper and Coforge is overvalued. So this valuation is for only Q4 financial 21 only. It will not applicable in the future quarter results. Now we'll check prices and dividend of three companies. Emphasis announced results on 13th May. We'll check the price on 13th May. So here we have price chart in BSE website. We'll check 3 months. 13th May. Here we have May 12th price, that is 1797. So results came on 13th. Here we have May 12th price, that is 1797 rupees. So results came on 13th. Okay, after results, this price was decreased from 1797 to 1763. That means 15 rupees was decreased. Later price was increased from 1763 to 1900. That means approximately 150 rupees was increased. What we discussed previously, Emphasis results are not good comparing with Mindtree and Coforge, but price was increased 150 rupees. One more thing, Emphasis announced 65 rupees dividend, including 27 rupees special dividend. Now we'll check Mindtree. Mindtree results was announced on 17 April. So we'll check the price. Here we have price on April 16, that is 2067. So after results announced, the price was decreased from 2067 to 2018. That means approximately 50 rupees was decreased. Later price was increased to 2247. Later price decreased. Later increased. Current price is 2200. and 16th price is 2067. Current price is 2200. That means approximately 150 rupees was increased. Already we discussed Mindtree results are good, but price was not increased much. So that is positive point for Mindtree. Mindtree announced 17 rupees 50 paise as dividend. Later we'll check Coforge. Coforge results announced on 6th May. Price of Coforge on 5th is 2892. This is price before results. After results announced, price was increased from 2892 to 3400. That means approximately 400 was increased. Already we discussed results. Here Coforge results was announced 10%, but price was increased 400. Coforge was announced 13 rupees as dividend. What we understood based on price chart. Mindtree results are very good comparing with Coforge and Mphasis, and also price of Mindtree was not increased much. So Mindtree valuation is reasonable comparing with Mphasis and Coforge. But if we consider overall, Mindtree, Mphasis and Coforge are good for long term. This is not the buying and selling recommendation. We are discussing for education purpose only. Before taking any financial decision, please check yourself. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.